back. It was way too windy on the ocean back there. We had to leave. Got a couple bites, but nothing promising anyway. As you can see, if it was promising, we wouldn't be on the road. But yeah, we're looking for the nearest bait shop. That tells you how our day is going. Anyway, people, I don't know what to say. Today has just been an effed up type of day. Nice sized gar up here. He took the bait. Pretty nice sized gar here. Yeah, wait. Got him perfect, you know. We're best at this. Old circle hook, some cut bait, river, gar. Big pole, there you go. Run towards me. There ain't no way. Come on here, buddy. Okay. Okay. The fight face. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a cat.
Oh shit.
Oh, okay. 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 I gotta do it. I should run my neck down here.